मी आईसाठी भिकारी पण बनू शकतो.
Do I need to introduce him? I don't think so. Guys, do I need to introduce him? Yes. So guys, I welcome this amazing Swapnil Joshi on stage for unveiling the lookbook of Max 2018 collection. And to felicitate Mr. Swapnil Joshi, can I please have Ms. Sonal Raj on stage? And Mr. Anupam Kumar. Guys, a big round of applause. तालियों की आवाज आई नहीं है मुझे. Louder, please. I would like to hand over the mic to Mr. Sonal again. Please, so you can say something about the collection which is specially curated by you.
Namaskar, good evening. Namaskar. Special thank you to Max. It's the second year that we've been associating with big thank you to GC, my partners. The look that we've curated this year is the spring collection for Max, and I'm really, really happy that everyone is liking the clothes, everybody is liking the looks, and I hope that you go to the store and you check out these clothes, check out the collection. I'm sure you're going to love it. I've been using Max for a long time, even before I was associated with the brand. त्यामुळे मला खूप मजा येते मॅक्सचे कपडे वापरायला आनंद देतात मॅक्सचे कपडे त्यामुळे खात्री आहे की तुम्हाला पण खूप आवडतो सो थँक्यू सो मच बिग थँक टू मॅक्स थँक टू GCs फॉर giving me this opportunity to be styled by Max this year again, second year in a row. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Sonal. Can we move ahead to unveiling the lookbook 2018? Max Spring 2018. Unveiling of the lookbook, guys. I'm so excited and I want all of you to make loud noise here. Louder, please. Whoa! This amazing lookbook specially curated by and for Swapnil Joshi. How are you feeling? You love it?
No, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. I think it's a great honor, and for a guy who only believes in white shirts and blue jeans, I think it's a great opportunity to look beyond that and look good and feel good. I think that's what Max stands for. Look good and feel good. I think it's the most affordable fashion brand in the country, and सामान्य माणसाचं ब्रँड आहे. सामान्य माणसासाठीचा ब्रँड आहे. सामान्य माणसाला जो एक्स फॅक्टर पाहिजे त्याच्या क्लोथिंगमध्ये, जो एक्स फॅक्टर पाहिजे त्याच्या लाईफस्टाईलमध्ये, तो एक्स फॅक्टर देणारा ब्रँड आहे आणि अत्यंत अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेसला हा ब्रँड आहे. त्यामुळे मला असं वाटतं की म्हणूनच अवघ्या काही वर्षांमध्ये मॅक्सचे 200पेक्षा जास्त स्टॉर्स आहेत. आय थिंक अबाउट 30 odd stores in Maharashtra itself, and I think about 22 odd stores between Mumbai and Pune. I think that's a huge leap for a brand. And I've been told that the average pricing of the product is at least 25 to 30% cheaper than the next competitor. So I think that's a big high, that's a big plus for a brand as big and as fashionable as Max. And I'm extremely proud to be associated with that. And that is absolutely the mantra that even I follow. Look good and feel good. Thank you very much.
Isn't that amazing, guys? As Swapnil already told you, that Max is all about offering great fashion at great prices. Isn't it? Are you ready for the surprise? I have a lot of surprises for you. As I can already see Swapnil, he's already dressed so amazing, I don't know what to say. But I was thinking that what if we try to, change his looks as per your mood? Will you be interested? Yeah, really? Okay, but मतलब इतने सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पे, सबको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी तो नहीं मिलने वाली है, राइट? So guys, the surprise, I'm going to unveil the surprise as well. The very own application of Max, wherein you can choose the celebrities and you can dress them according to your wish. And one of them is definitely Swapnil. So guys, if you really want to do that, before that, I wanna welcome Miss Sonal on stage so that she can talk about the application wherein we can actually change his clothes and we can make him according to the play, work, travel and many more.
So, this is the game, and so we all are becoming technology savvy these days, and this is one of the ways to make the technology bring to you the best possible fashion. And here we have the Swapnil Joshi's game. Now, your favorite superstar, you can actually style him as per your own occasions. So we have 4 occasions here: work, travel, fun and play. So you can style Swapnil, your favorite superstar, according to your own look. So should we call someone? Anybody would like to try this?
क्या नाम है आपका? ओंकार. So let's see कि हम स्वप्निल को उनके मूड के हिसाब से कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं.
आता काय म्हणतोय? Please wait. Preparing the game.
Good.
एक second. Yes.
Swapnil is getting ready as per the app. Ouch! Okay, Swapnil के मूड के हिसाब से ये लुक नहीं थे जो इन्होंने चूज किया. So let's see. Replay कर रहे हैं गेम. Style Swapnil Joshi playing the game once again. Swapnil, by the way, आपका मूड क्या है अभी?
तो मेरा मूड पार्टी का है, तो देखते हैं पार्टी वेयर के लिए.
Alright. Swapnil का मूड पार्टी का है, means fun collection. The game is preparing. Thank you so much.
Max does something like this across India, like in pan India. It's the first time they've introduced something like this, and I'm extremely glad that they've introduced it in Maharashtra. And I'm the guy that gets to play the game. So go check out the Max stores and play the game and hope. Yeah, the only good part is that I don't actually change in front of you. Like, I just get into the other dress. But that's just for your knowledge. You play the game, you'll know. But yes, it's fun. Try it. I'm loving it. I'm definitely going to the Max store and playing the game and buying stuff. And I'm sure that you guys are going to do the same. Thank you so much.
reached more than 3 lakh customers, and that is simply amazing. Go ahead if you want to ask anything to Swapnil, and Swapnil, even you can ask anything to him if you want.
Which is your favorite look? There are 4 categories. Tell us which is your favorite category.
My favorite category is the fun category because I think that's really cool. You know, I love the getting style. By the way, I have to tell you that Vinita has really helped me style the looks for the Max shoot. So let's have a big round of applause for Vinita here. She helped me style some of these looks. Thank you, but I love the fun look. I think it's great. Yeah.
Because I was at the shoot. So tell me which was the most fun for you to actually shoot? Because I see that we got a really good picture of you here.
Yeah, I love playing the play look was a lot of fun to shoot, but I think the fun look is more, I think goes more in sync with me, carrying it better, I think, personally. Yeah, my personal statement is closer to the fun look.
She stole my question. So I don't have it. Sorry? So what are the 3 reasons you like Max fashion? Both of them.
Like I said, I think A, extremely stylish clothing, B, extremely affordable, and I think they really keep changing their entire collections on a regular basis. So you have to kind of always updated with the trend that's going on in world fashion. So you don't have to really look into fashion and look into blogs, and you don't really have to do your homework. Just go to the nearest Max store, pick up the stuff, and then you're kind of in sync with what is happening around the world. So I think it's trendy, it's affordable, and I think it's really in sync to a lot of extent to the existing fashion scene around. Thank you. And all of you looking extremely gorgeous. All you ladies are looking extremely gorgeous. Super. All Max? The shoes are Max? Super. All Max fashion? Really?
Thank you so much. Can I have some pictures with them? Click, quickly. Yes, we will be up for the media introductions, don't worry. Guys, can I have some noise? Are you all enjoying? Louder. And they are dressed head to toe in Max collections. Guys, if you also want to buy collection online, log on to www.
मॅक्सचं नवीन स्प्रिंग कलेक्शन लॉन्च झालं आहे आणि खूप आनंद होतो आहे. दुसरं वर्ष आहे मॅक्सशी असोसिएट होण्याचं. मागच्या वर्षी आम्ही स्वप्नील रेकमेंड्स नावाची एक लाईन क्युरेट केली होती मॅक्ससाठी, आणि यावर्षी पुन्हा दुसऱ्यांदा मॅक्स स्टाईल्स स्वप्नील जोशी म्हणून 8 लुक्स आम्ही डिझाईन केलेत आणि खूप भारी वाटतं आहे. आपली फॅशन लाईन असावी आणि मॅक्ससारख्या मोठ्या ब्रँडनी आपले क्युरेट केलेले कपडे लोकांपर्यंत पोचवावेत, ही माझ्यासाठी फार अभिमानाची गोष्ट आहे. त्यामुळे खूप भारी वाटतं आहे आणि बिग थँक्यू टू मॅक्स, बिग थँक्यू टू GSeams, माय पार्टनर्स, फॉर दिस लवली अपॉर्चुनिटी. इट फील्स ग्रेट.
स्वप्निल जोशी के लिए फैशन मंत्रा क्या है? इस बारे फैशन मंत्रा के बारे में बताएंगे आप?
मेरे लिए फ़ैशन मंत्रा कंफर्ट है. मैं ऐसे कपड़े पहनना पसंद करता हूँ जिसमें मैं अच्छा लगूँ, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ मैं कंफर्टेबल रहूँ. मैं बहुत क्लमजी कपड़े नहीं पहन सकता, तो मेरे लिए एक अच्छा शर्ट, अच्छी फिटिंग की जीन्स, अच्छे जूते, ये मेरे लिए फ़ैशन स्टेटमेंट है. ऑफ कोर्स हर किसी के लिए फ़ैशन स्टेटमेंट अलग होता है, बट फॉर मी फैशन इज़ मोर अबाउट कंफर्ट, यू नो, एंड द कैजुअल. फैशन फॉर मी इज़ अबाउट कंफर्ट.
ओके, अभी रिसेंटली फोटोशूट भी हुआ था आपका. फोटोशूट का एक्सपीरियंस थोड़ा बताएंगे, किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
बहुत मज़ेदार रहा. आई थिंक फ़ोटोशूट का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत कमाल रहा, क्योंकि हमने अलग अलग लुक ट्राई किए और अलग अलग लुक्स के अलग अलग फ़ोटोशूट्स ट्राई किए, अलग अलग लोकेशंस थे, तो बहुत मज़ा आया. बहुत हेक्टिक होता है फ़ोटोशूट, जितना वहाँ दिखने में खूबसूरत और सुंदर लगता है उतना ज़्यादा हेक्टिक होता है, बट इट्स लॉट ऑफ फन. मेरे लिए एक नया एवेन्यू है. मैं बेसिकली मॉडल नहीं हूँ, मैं एक्टर हूँ, तो मेरे लिए फ़ोटोशूट्स करना सिर्फ फिल्म से रिलेटेड होता है कि पिक्चर आ रही है तो आप फ़ोटोशूट करो या मैगजीन के लिए फ़ोटोशूट करो. पहली बार अब मैंने क्यूरेट किए हुए कपड़े मैं पहन के फ़ोटोशूट कर रहा था. आई थिंक इट वॉज अ ग्रेट हाई एंड आई थिंक इट वॉज अ ग्रेट फीलिंग.
इसमें से अगर कुछ एक घर पे लेके जाने को मिलता आपको, तो कौन सा लेके जाते हैं?
मैं सब घर पे लेके जा रहा हूँ.
ओके, इसके बाद में आपकी मुंबई थर्ड पार्ट आ रही है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे उसके बारे में? कितना एक्साइटेड है थर्ड पार्ट?
बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. आई थिंक
सक्सेसफुल जो होंगे.
यस, पहली मराठी फिल्म होगी जिसका तीसरा भाग आने वाला है. द फर्स्ट मराठी फिल्म टू हैव अ सक्सेसफुल थर्ड फ्रँचाइज इन अ लिनियर फॉर्मॅट. आणि हमारे लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है. खूप मोठा क्षण आहे आमच्या सगळ्यांसाठी आणि चित्रीकरणाला सुरुवात झाली आहे, शूटिंग सुरू हो चुकी आहे and I hopefully sometime in the next few months MPM3 will release all across the world.
So Swapnil, being from the industry, which is a showbiz, so do you think that so looking fashionable is definitely your first priority? Do you think that looking fashionable, brands are really necessary?
See, I personally feel that everybody has an individual fashion sense. So I wouldn't say that this brand is necessary for me and that brand is necessary for you. But I definitely feel that brands make you more aware. Brands give you a more wider perspective about what's fashionable and what's in sync. So I feel, for example, like a brand like Max, it really gets you the latest trends in fashion at affordable prices. So by that logic, I would say I really love Max. I mean, I wear clothes of Max all the time. It's been 2 years that I'm associated with them, but I've been wearing Max clothes even before that, and I find them extremely fashionable. And they have definitely made a positive difference to my wardrobe.
And lastly, who are the actors whom you really admire for their fashion sense?
Oh, a lot of them. I think Ranveer is great. Deepika, of course, is quintessential. A lot of them, Varun Dhawan and a lot of people. SRK, of course, is style. Bachchan Saab, a lot of people. Marathi Madhe, Sai Tamankar is great. Amruta is extremely fashion conscious. Sonali hai, Ankush hai. I think a lot of people today are getting more and more aware about being more fashionable and being right up there as far as looking good and feeling good is concerned.
तो पनौती देखा आपने लग रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
अच्छा, सौरभ भास्कर के ओपन लेटर का जो हुआ है उसका बता सकते हैं?
नो कमेंट्स. हम सिर्फ मैक्स के इवेंट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
नो इश्यूज. अभी ये बजट आ रहा है, बजट आ गया है फर्स्ट.
हम सिर्फ मैक्स के इवेंट के बारे में बात कर रहे
वो
हैं.
भी मैक्स से रिलेटेड देखा जाए तो बजट क्योंकि आम आदमी का
आज ही बजट आया है और मैंने अभी तक पूरा बजट सुना नहीं है, तो उस पर
एक्सपेक्टेशन होगी जो आप शेयर कर सकते हैं देखा जाए तो.
हाँ, मतलब अभी मैंने जब तक सुनूंगा नहीं कि आज बोला क्या क्या है, तब तक उसके बारे में कमेंट कैसे करूँगा. अभी जस्ट खत्म हुआ है बजट और हम यहाँ हैं, तो मैं एक बार सुन लूँ, समझ लूँ, उसके बाद ही कमेंट कर पाऊँगा.
थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.